So today I'm doing unboxing video with you guys. My order have arrived yesterday. So the order that I ordered from Lookfantastic website arrived yesterday. So I will be doing the unboxing with you guys. Please don't mind the noise in the background. My son is disturbing. So guys, I will be showing you all the products. These are all the products that I got from their website, that I ordered from their website. So let's start with this one right here. Guys, I don't know if the camera can catch this for you guys to see. So this is the Shea Moisture Jamaica Black Castor Oil Strengthen and Restore Leave-In Conditioner. It's made with shea butter, peppermint, and apple cider vinegar. So this is it. So guys, everything is sealed and it scents so yummy. It scents so good. I love the smell. And this one is from also coconut and hibiscus coil enhancing smoothie. It's like this. I also got this from their website just for 3 cents. Guys, I'm so sorry. This my son can disturb for Africa. So guys, this is the next one here. This right here. It's multi-benefit shea butter mask. Is 10 in 1 hair mask, guys. 10 in 1 hair mask. And I'll be doing a proper review on all these products. So just subscribe so that you will not miss out of any of this review. So the next that I got is the next is the Coil and Shine Styling Milk that I also got from them. Don't know if you guys can see you. I hope you guys can see this. Guys, I'm so sorry. So the next that I got is this raw shea and kupuku. Oh God. Kupuku freeze defense styling gel cream. Guys, it's like this. Anything that I did not pronounce well, please don't be offended. It's like this. It's like this. I don't know if you guys can see. I hope you guys can see. It's like this. It's a gel. I also got this styling gel Soufri. Guys, this is like this. And I'll be doing a proper review on all these products. I just want to share I just want to unbox it with you guys. So I also got this Jamaica Black Castor Oil Strengthen and Restore Health Mask. It's like this. It's like this. Braid up conditioning gel with carrot seed oil. Guys, I love carrot seed and I'm going to enjoy this conditioning gel for this wet weather, because I'll be doing more of braid lady is for cornrow, buzz braid, wave, and extension. So you can use it for your extension, your cornrow, your cornrow and your pepper roll, all of them you join. So guys, that is all from this shea moisture. This is all I got for shea moisture. I got about 8 products. I bought about 8 products from shea moisture. So now let's move to this Giovanni Giovanni, but I can't see their name here. Giovanni mousse. This is Giovanni mousse. It's styling mousse, medium to frame hold. That is going to be really hold. And also got their gel. This is their gel, guys. So got their gel. They say more body hair thickener, volume styling gel. It's like this. I can't wait to try all these products. So guys, I also got their direct leave-in weightless moisture conditioner for all hair type. Like this. It's like this. So I can't wait to try this out too. And it seems so good, guys. The last but not the least, hair root lifting spray. So it's like this. Mass volume, directional root lifting spray. So guys, like this. So guys, this is all the product that I got from shea, from their website, lookfantastic website, because there were Black Friday discount. So I used that opportunity to get the product that I've been dreaming to try. So thank God that I ordered them and they have arrived. So that's why I decided to do the unboxing video with you guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please don't mind the noise and everything in the background. So sorry about that. So my son is here and his playmate, he's my playmate. We play together, so anything I'm doing is involved. So I will see you guys in my next video. If you are here for the first time, please don't forget to subscribe and join the family. Don't mind my hair, guys. My hair will be like this over some weeks now. I'm really tired of taking care. I'll be busy, so my hair will be like this. So guys, I will see you all in my next video. Happy Christmas and many enjoyment to you guys.